This is the door. It's a double door. It opens from the center and swings out both ways. And I'm going to try and take it off today. And my bus is different than everybody else's. I had heaters running down the side and all sorts of other things. I have this contraption that needs to go. It looks like it unscrews fairly simply. The bar goes to the door. That part I got off yesterday. So that was easy enough, but then how to detach the door. I can't find any videos on YouTube of people taking the door off, lots of them putting it on. So I'm going to make one. Now we have to get up in here and get all this unhooked, and for some reason I thought I had to undo those screws, but I don't think I do. And this stuff here just pops off, which is very weird. It's not even sealed on there. But we'll get started on this and see how it goes. These are some of the tools that I'm going to attempt to figure out how to use. I'll spare you the monotonous unscrewing of these things that I just did. I used the 7/16 to get on here and just start unscrewing, and then take this out, and I think I'm almost there. Oh my god, look at that. So this puppy comes off. Now I can get to these ones, and then I'll unhook this thing. Pretty sure I need the fan, so I'm going to leave that there for now, but I'll unhook this and this whole door piece, and then I'll work on the door. Oh my god, I did it. I did it all by myself. Okay, so now I have to undo those, because as soon as this drops, ooh, it's going to bend mud. Well, not like it matters. Okay. Look at this. Holy cow, I'm just taking shit apart. Okay. We'll deal with those wires later. We'll deal with that now. So this stuff, look at that. What the hell? How easy is that? Just peels right off. Now, I'm going to save this for later, just in case. We'll add it to my might use pile. And I'll try this one. Okay, so I got this one off. This one is coming. I wanted to know something that's most annoying with this stupid buses is that no two bolts are the same size. Nothing in here is even. Like, who built this damn thing? Make everything universal for us schooly builders. You gotta think about the future, Bluebird. Come on now. If you're spray foaming your bus, you may want to do this after removal of the door, because I have to cut out all this spray foam to get at that bolt. And I'm probably going to have to do the same down there. Extra side note. This thing closes the door, because I just slammed the door on the dog's head when I was trying to undo it. Oops, sorry puppy. That'll be fun. Okay. So, I'm undoing this one now. We'll get everything unattached from the door, or from this frame thing. And then see how that goes. Sitting here unscrewing and unscrewing, wondering why it won't come undone. On the top of this thing, there is a hole with what looks like an octagon thing in there. So I'm going to use this to hold it. Let me show you. Oh, you see it there? Yeah. So you have to hold that, otherwise you just keep spinning for the rest of your life. You know something really amazing? For the age of this bus, the screws come out very easy. I am not having to fight with this stuff at all, which makes me really happy because my hands don't work very well. And yeah, I'm really impressed. I've got this contraption off. So now I just have 2 floppy doors that I need to get off and replace today, because today's going to be our only nice day. Going step by step here, okay? So I got a hammer and a chisel because this was not coming off. And then you have to take this off to get at those screws. So I will carry on. I did it. I got it off. Oh my God, look at that. Now, not that that helps me at all, because I still need the doors off. But holy cow, I did it. So apparently you have to take these out, and this whole frame pops off. So that's what I'm doing, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. Oh my God, look it. I did it. Oh my mother of Christ. Except, how do I get this side off? How do you get the freaking tool in there? Like, come on. I got nothing in there. That's small. Okay, never mind. I realized I don't have to take those things out. This whole case is going to fall right out. Woo-wee! I love it. We just have to keep the dogs out of the way. I think I want to do it from the inside. Off my schoolie door all by myself. Oh my God. I don't like all these pinchy things. Okay, just come on. Fucking attached to something down here. Oh, man, look at it. Busted the door. Okay. Door's off. Now we have to figure out how to put a new one on.